Here's our update on garlic that we planted in November. That's autumn garlic. You may ask, why is the garlic now falling over and yellowing leaves at the bottom? It's a sign of maturity. And there's even one here growing a cape. This can be cut and eaten. So to harvest it, because these garlic plants are growing with volunteer potatoes, I will just try and dig the garlic out. Make sure you don't pull too much because you will destroy the garlic. Small bulbs could have been left longer, but since they are falling already, they're not gonna get any bigger. So it's best to harvest them and use them immediately. And then this ones can be stored, but you have to cure them first. Why are my potato leaves falling over? Falling over potato leaves can be totally normal, especially in late spring like this, or early summer. It's the end of May and these ones are falling over, so it's time to harvest them. We can see that they're naturally dying, which is a sign of maturity. So let's harvest. And by doing this, you're going to get space for more planting. Pick all the tiny ones. If not, you will get volunteer potato next year. Freshly harvested garlic needs time to cure before storage. After pulling it from the soil, shake off the dirt, but don't wash it. Bundle the bulbs and hang them in a dry, well-ventilated space away from direct sunlight for 2 to 3 weeks. This helps the outer layers dry and the flavor concentrate. Once cured, trim the roots and stems. Store your garlic in a cool, dry place, preferably in mesh bags, baskets, or paper sacks. Skip the fridge. Moisture encourages sprouting. Stored right, your garlic can last for months and stay full of flavor. Stay tuned with Esteelicious for more garden updates.